Hi guys, today we are going to learn non-detail. First lesson in non-detail is Treasure Island. This Treasure Island is deleted from your syllabus. Because of that reason I am starting today second lesson number 2, Karna. Okay, now let us proceed towards our lesson. Open page number 130. I hope all of you have opened your textbook. Page number 130, Karna. Written by Raja Gopalachari. Okay. Now let us know something about Raja Gopalachari. Then we proceed towards the lesson. Chakravarti Raja Gopalachari was born on 1878 and died in 1972. Was a lawyer, writer and statesman. He was an accomplished writer who made lasting contributors to Indian English literature. In 1951, he wrote an bridged retelling of Mahabharata in English, followed by on the Ramayana in 1957. These stories were originally written in Tamil and were rendered into English mainly by Rajaji himself. To have preserved the beauty and spirit of the great original in refined and simple English is an achievement of the highest orders. He was also one of the founders of Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, an organization dedicated to the promotion of education and culture. The episode you have read now are events from different chapters of this Mahabharata. Okay, this lesson Karna is written by C. Rajagopalachari. He was born on 1878 and died in 1972. He was a lawyer by profession. At the same time, he was also a writer. Okay, he has given tremendous literature for Indian English literature. He has contributed a lot to Indian English literature. In 1951, he wrote Mahabharata in English and Ramayana in 1957. It was in Tamil. Then he translated into English. Okay. Why he did that? In order to understand the achievements of those people. He was also one of the he also founded an organization which was the name Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan. Okay. Where he promoted education and culture. Both he promoted. Okay, he encouraged. What I mean to tell you is he encouraged both education and Indian culture. And this story which you are going to learn, it is one of the chapters of Mahabharata. Okay, Mahabharata consists of many chapters. Okay, this is one of the chapters of Mahabharata. Okay. Now let us say pre-reading activity. The Mahabharata is the great epic. No doubt. It is the oldest epic, isn't it? It abounds in characters who are models of the great qualities. Which character in the epic do you like the most? Why? Share your views in pairs. Okay, since you are not with your friends, you share your view with your fellow mate who is there at home. Share your favorite character in Ramayana. Why he or she is favorite character. You should discuss with your partner who is at home with you now. Will you be able to do that? Yes. I hope all of you will do that.